Good morning, children. Today we will learn about the use of percentages in our daily life. Percentages are frequently used in our daily life. Whether you are shopping, working, or banking, you have used percentages. The symbol percentage is used to compare values, quantity changes, and to calculate amount represented by an increase or decrease. Now let us see some examples. We can use percentages to know about the nutrition facts in the pre-packed food items. In most of the pre-packed foods, we can see a nutrition label on the back or side of the packing. These labels include the information on percentage values of fat, carbohydrate, sugar, protein, etc. Here, in the first case, for the Coca-Cola bottle, you can see 0% fat, 3% sodium, 22% total carbohydrate, etc. And for the second case, whole milk, 12% total fat, 23% saturated fat, say 5% vitamin A, 0% vitamin C, 28% calcium, etc. Now we can use percentages to know about the charge of the battery used in our cell phone or laptop. If the battery is fully charged, it means 100%. And if it is half charged, it means 50%. The most common use of percentage is in discounts. When you buy something, you may be offered a discount. This is a reduction in the price. It is usually given as a percentage. In some of the shops, you can see 20% discount, 50% sale, 10% off, etc. If you know the percentage calculations, you can find the value after discount very easily. Now let us see an example to know how percentages help us to find the value after discount. Consider the question. A shirt costs Omani Riyal 24. Find the cost of the shirt if it has 20% discount. When you check out, 20% of Omani Riyal 24 will be subtracted from the original price. Then, how much would be the shirt cost after the discount? You know, 20% of 24 is 4.8. Then, 24 minus 4.8, that is 19.2 Omani Riyal is the cost of the shirt after discount. Here we can use another method also to find the value after discount. It is given 20% is the discount. Then 100 minus 20 is 80. After that 24 multiplied by 80 by 100, that is 19.2 Omani Riyal is the cost of the shirt after discount. We can use both methods to find the value after discount. We can use percentages in the calculation of interest from the bank. If you deposit money in a bank, they will pay you interest on this money. If you have borrowed money from the bank, you have to pay them interest. Interest is calculated as a percentage of the cost. Let us see an example. Ahmad invests Omani Riyal 8,000 in a bank. The bank pays 3% interest. Work out the interest and then work out the total. Here, for finding the interest, we have to find 3% of 8,000. That is 8,000 multiplied by 3 by 100 equal to 240 Omani Riyal. This is the interest. After that, we will add this interest to the amount 8,000. Then we get 8,240 Omani Riyal. This is the total amount. Now let us see use of percentage in tax. Depending on where you live, you might pay a tax on the things you buy. Tax is calculated as percentage of the original amount. For example, a restaurant must add 8% as municipal tax to the price of the meal. If price of the meal is Omani Riyal 30, work out the bill after tax is added. You know that 8% of 30 is 30 multiplied by 8 by 100, that is 2.4. Then the bill after tax is added is equal to 30 plus that 2.4, 32.4 Omani Riyal. That is 32.4 Omani Riyal is the bill after tax is added. In conclusion, you know that percentages are used widely in different areas. For example, discounts in shops, bank interest rates, and tax, etc. Percentages are important for understanding the financial aspects of everyday life. Thank you.